Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe for new videos every single week. Now, under eye creams are one of those weird products where some people swear by them, some people think they're a rip-off because they're usually quite expensive for a small amount of product, and some people just don't see any results from them, no matter which ones they try. And I often get asked, do you use an under eye cream? Particularly as an older guy, obviously I'm starting to get lines under my eyes and puffiness and that sort of thing that's associated with my age. Do I use an under eye cream? Which one do I use? Because they can be hellishly expensive. So what I've done over the last 3 months is I've been trialing 4 different under eye products. Those are the Ordinary's caffeine solution, 5% plus EGCG, and if you wonder what the EGCG is, it's basically tea tree oil, tea tree extract, I beg your pardon. I've been using the Dermalogica Stress Active Eye Lift. If you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know that I'm quite a fan of Dermalogica, although I'm not a fan of paying their prices. We've got the L'Oreal Man's Expert Vita Lift, and then finally from our Korean friends we have the Maison Snail Repair Eye Cream, which is nowhere near as foul or disgusting as it sounds, being a snail cream. The reason I've chosen those 4 products is there's quite a range of prices. Well, basically we're talking about products that go from £5 to £42 for those tiny tubes I've just shown you. I'll go through now, each one in turn, what I think of them, the pros and cons, and we'll come back here and I'll go with my final recommendations of what I think will be useful for you guys to try. One of the things you need to bear in mind with under eye cream is that there are 3 main areas of issues under the eye. First is puffiness, second is dark circles, and third is wrinkles. You tend to need different products or different builds of products for those 3 different areas. There are products that say they do all 3, there are products that are specifically targeted to one or more. So what you've got to look at is what is it you're looking to achieve. So for instance, the Ordinary product, the caffeine solution, for me didn't have much of an effect on the dark circles, didn't touch the wrinkles at all, but what it did do was a fantastic job of removing the under eye bags. So have a think of what it is you're looking to achieve, and what I'll do is as we go through the products, as I'm using them, I'll explain to you what I recommend them to be used for, if I recommend them at all. So let's go. It is brilliant at reducing the puffiness under your eyes. I noticed a difference actually the first morning after I'd used it the night before, and certainly within a few days it was noticeable. This is a very good product for under eye bags. It's not going to do much for your wrinkles, it's not going to do an awful lot for your dark circles, but if you have puffiness under your eyes, dabbing this on in the morning or the night before will get you excellent results. The L'Oreal VitaLift product is another one of their very quickly expanding range for men. I've used a number of their different products, and generally speaking I've been quite impressed with them, particularly how cheap they are. This tube is actually £11.60, which is quite a lot of money compared to their other product. Does it work? A little bit. I notice a little bit more firming in the under eye area. Would I recommend it, specifically at £12? No, I wouldn't. I love Dermalogica, apart from the price. This tube is £42 for 25 mils of product. You'd expect it to be made from caviar based at that sort of price. However, it works, and it works very, very well. I love this special applicator it's got, a metal end to it which you push a small amount of product onto, dab it underneath your eyes and then rotate underneath the eyes. That rotational movement, rub that around circularly with very gentle pressure underneath the eyes. It helps dispel some of the fluid that's built up there. Out of all of them, it's probably the best product for what it does, the worst product for how much it costs. So if you can afford £42, by all means go for it, but because it's so high I can't recommend it because of the price. And finally, for our Korean addition to the list, which is the Maison Snail Repair Eye Cream. Snail serum or snail extract or whatever you want to call it, it does have great repairing properties. £4.57 from yesstyle.com, which is crazy cheap for an under eye cream. It works very well. Certainly worked well with my wrinkles underneath the eyes, definitely reduced them slightly. It helped with the puffiness, dark circles. There was a slight reduction in the dark circles, but bear in mind that dark circles can be hereditary, it can be a build-up of toxins, it can be an allergic reaction, which won't necessarily be fixed by a cream. But at this price, definitely worth it, guys. Can't recommend it enough. Give it a go. So guys, like I said, an extreme difference in price. Dermalogica, love their products, 42 quid, hell no. I bought this out of my own money, as I do with everything. Everything I'm reviewing here I bought out my own money. It's not sponsored, I don't get any freebies, unfortunately. It is a great product, it definitely does the job, but I wouldn't purchase it again because I just can't justify £42 just for an under eye treatment. It's just too much. The Ordinary is one of those products which is ridiculously cheap. It does exactly what you want it to do if you're looking to get rid of puffiness under the eyes. I would certainly recommend you get it, guys, even if you don't use it very often. Get it, put it into your skincare collection, use it whenever you need it. You won't be disappointed with the effect, and you certainly won't be disappointed with the price. I'll put a link in the description section below for the products I'm mentioning today. The L'Oreal I'm very disappointed with, very little difference, and as I say, £12 is too much when you're not really seeing any return to it, and I'm very disappointed because the other L'Oreal budget range that I've used I've been very impressed with. And the real winner here is the Maison. £5 for a tube like this. You can get larger sizes, larger pot sizes, but I just got this because I wanted to give it a sample. I will continue using this. My recommendations to you guys to wrap this all together is to buy the Maison Under Eye Cream from yesstyle.com and to get the Ordinary product for the as and when you need to get the puffiness down. So under eye creams, do you use them? If so, what do you use? Leave a comment down below, it's always appreciated. Talking about appreciated, it's really appreciated if you can give me a thumbs up on this. I don't get any money at all from YouTube, it's not sponsored, I pay for all the products myself. That's not a sob story, it's just saying that if you like what I do, you want to support the channel, then please think about giving a comment, a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I produce new videos every single week. Come and follow me on Instagram, let me know what you're using, what you want me to review next. It'd be great to hear from you. Guys, if I could just take 1 minute of your time. As you may be aware, YouTube has recently changed the algorithms favouring the large corporations and making it extremely difficult for small channels like mine to ever show up in search engines. So if you'd like to support the channel, if you'd like to support the work I do, it's not monetised, I don't make any money from the videos, I just make them because I'm a skincare enthusiast. If you'd like to support me, please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Give the videos a thumbs up, that's always appreciated. Comment in these sections below because that increases the likelihood that YouTube will actually show me in search engines, and also share the video around if you can. Stick it on your Facebook, link it to your mates, anything you can do. If you value having small content creators, you do things like that for myself, if you do that for your other content creators that you enjoy, we'd all appreciate it. Thank you guys.